If you're looking to organize your contacts in Monday.com and want an easy way to import, customize, and manage them, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to set up a dedicated contacts board, but also how to bring in your contacts from a CSV file and tailor your fields for maximum efficiency. Let's jump right in and get your contacts sorted. Speedy and stress-free. To start, open up your Monday workspace and look in the corner for the little plus button. This is your gateway to creating new boards and staying organized. Go ahead and click it. Now, you might see a few prompts, but what you want is to create a custom board. This lets you tailor things exactly the way you want, right from the start. Give your board a clear, practical name like Contacts. This makes it easy to find later, especially if you'll be juggling lots of boards for projects or clients. Once your new contacts board is open, you'll notice it's a blank slate, waiting for you to fill it with helpful info. To bring in your existing contacts, look for where it says New Contacts. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and in that list you want to select Import Contacts. This part is crucial if you already have your contacts in a CSV file. Maybe you exported them from Google Contacts, Outlook, or pulled together a list from a CRM. When you select Import Contacts, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. Browse to where you saved it and select your file. This process might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of contacts or columns, so don't worry if you see it spinning for a bit. Now, here's where you can start managing and customizing your contacts. After import, Monday.com will usually grab all your columns from the CSV, but sometimes it brings in extra data you don't need, like a file column. If there's a column that doesn't make sense for your contacts, just delete it. Hover over the column header, find the little drop-down or trash icon, and remove it. Cleaning up your data here makes everything clearer down the road. At this point, you'll find that Monday already includes some very useful default columns like person and name. That keeps things organized for collaboration, especially if multiple team members will be using the board. However, to manage your contacts thoroughly, you'll want to add crucial details like email addresses and, if needed, phone numbers or anything unique to your setup. To add an email column, just click on the plus at the far right of your columns and choose the type email. This allows you to store and even directly click to email someone from the board, which can be a big time saver. If you need a phone number column, repeat the process. Add a column, choose the telephone or text type, depending on how you like to keep numbers formatted. And remember, don't hesitate to add extra columns for notes, company names, birthdays, whatever makes sense for your workflow. Think of each column as a folder tab in an old-school address book, a way to keep everything right where you need it. Once you've set up all your fields, your contacts board is ready to use, display, and update. You can start filtering, searching, and collaborating instantly. And the beauty is, you can always come back and tweak things. Monday makes updating columns and reorganizing data easy, so don't worry about making everything perfect on the first try. That's it. Your contacts are now organized and easily managed in Monday.com. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about importing or managing contacts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. See you in the next video.